If you're looking for a brand new turnkey home with a guest suite set up downstairs and a huge walk-in closet, you're going to want to see this home in West Bedford. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time tuning in, I'm John Murray, a realtor here in Halifax, Nova Scotia. Now what I do on my channel is I visit all the new developments going up around the city of Halifax, and I give full new construction walkthroughs so you can learn all the floor plans by all the builders. If you're interested in this, or thinking of moving, buying, or selling, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe, like, and notification buttons to stay up to date with everything that's happening in all these new developments. Today I'm out in one of the most desirable areas around HRM, the parks of West Bedford. Now if you're a local here or you've seen this section before, feel free to skip ahead to the home tour. I always have timestamps in the video, but if you're not sure about this area, you're going to want to stick around and let me tell you about it. The main draw for West Bedford is the location. You're about 20 minutes from the airport and roughly 20 to 25 minutes into downtown Halifax. It's become its own self-contained hub. Everything from the Greenfoot Energy Center, which is formerly known as the BMO Center for Sports, which actually has 4 ice rinks, all the way to the shops at Larry UTech, everything is right here. It's convenient, but keep in mind that as more phases open up, the traffic at the highway interchanges can get heavy during peak hours. The style here in West Bedford is definitely more of a modern and executive feel. You'll see clean lines, stone finishes, and glass railings. One thing to be aware of is the density. The lots are typically smaller and you're going to be close to your neighbors. It's a trade-off for having a brand new, low-maintenance home in a very structured, polished neighborhood. What people often miss here is the trail system. Even though the streets feel like a standard subdivision, there are wooded greenbelts woven throughout. You can walk from these modern streets right into the woods in a few minutes. It gives the area some breathing room and is a big reason why the resale values here stay as high as they do. Now finally, I'm going to put the schools for today's neighborhood up on the screen so you can see them, but keep in mind there's also the West Bedford School, which is a pre-primary to 12 campus here in the heart of the community that was put in to handle all the overflow from all the growth here. Now, while this area is largely established, it's still evolving with future commercial growth and transit planning. Now that you have a great feel for the neighborhood, let's see some homes and reach out with any questions. Now, before we go inside to check out this Bellview model by Shaughnessy Homes Ltd, this is where I remind you I do not represent any of the builders on my channel. Shaughnessy is building other models in this development. Today we're in Belle Rose Park in West Bedford. It's the middle of April 2026. Their Belmore model is also a detached home. I'm going to put the specs on the screen for you there. And their Belhaven model is a townhouse model. I'm going to also have the specs there for you. If you have any questions at all, just reach out and I'll see you on the tour. Today we are in Belle Rose Park in West Bedford and we are checking out Shaughnessy Homes Ltd. Bellview floor plan here. It's a 4-bed, 3.5 bath with a single car garage. It's just over 2,600 square feet and we are sitting on a 1/4 acre lot. Base price here is $864,900 and it has the appliances included. So the driveway's already been paved. And you've got composite front steps coming up with pot lighting overhead. Okay, love when they put composite in. Just gonna go in, slide in, and take my shoes off. As you can see in the entryway, you've got tile flooring, and that's engineered hardwood going up the stairs. So you've got a mudroom entrance here. The good sized coat closet right in the entryway. And then you have your single car garage. Nice big tall ceilings, lots of space to put shelving in if you wanted to. Those are flush mount lights up top. And you're just looking at 2 steps and a separate walkout there. So if it's your first time watching my channel, I do these home tours a few times a week, all across and outside the city of Halifax. If you're interested in checking out resale homes or new construction or need to sell your home, I'd love to have a conversation with you. My information will be on screen. And if you already have your own realtor, that's cool too. Just make sure you bring them along and make sure you have representation anytime you're buying a home. So you have a powder room here, right at the base of the stairs. So this home is on a ducted electric heat pump system with natural gas backup. I'm going to talk a little bit about that in a few minutes here. You have engineered hardwood on the main level and the upstairs. We're going to tuck down and go downstairs first. Now downstairs has laminate flooring, and it's got a great little setup for a guest suite down here. So as you're going to see as you turn the corner, they've got a wet bar already plumbed in. That looks out to the back of the property. This is going to be a full bathroom here behind that door, and your 4th bedroom here on the right. Now the 4th bedroom has a nice surprise to it, but first we'll go on into your ensuite slash main bath for the downstairs, which is really cool to have. It's a perfect spot for extra family. But this bedroom also has this great walk-in closet. It's really cool. Nice addition for a 4th bedroom. Imagine having a 4th bedroom in your home with a walk-in closet. So yeah, it's nice tucked away space, perfect for a guest. Your utility room is here off the stairs. You get your hot water tank, your ducted heat pump system. Okay, so that's forced air, electric through the house. Lots of storage space here too. See how it goes in nice and deep? And they have natural gas backup. And the gas is actually roughed in here, for, as you can see, for the barbecue, the dryer, your range, your upstairs in the kitchen, and your furnace for your hot water tank. So West Bedford, you're gonna see natural gas in a lot of the newer development like that. And same thing over in Dartmouth at the Parks of Lake Charles. But in a lot of the older infrastructure here in Nova Scotia, we do not have natural gas. It's not like Ontario and some of the Western provinces. All right, we'll go on into the kitchen slash dining room. Nice open space here. That's quartz countertop. They've got the LG appliance package in. And you have a nice big butler's pantry here. Look at the size of this. Right off the kitchen. Isn't that great? So they've got the gas for the cooktop. Opens right into your dining space here. And you've got a nice composite deck out back with a privacy wall. You can see some of the townhouses that are going in there. Again, we're in Shaughnessy Homes Ltd. home today. Checking out the Bellview. You can see they have all their promotional sheets here. That's today's home. There's the Belmore they're doing right across the street. I'll show you out the window when we get up to the primary and the Belhaven townhomes. They also have all their packages, their feature packages. So if you're interested in getting a hold of those, just give me a call and I'll email them over to you. And you've got your electric fireplace here. So yeah, nice big windows, pot lighting. Those are soft closed cabinets and open rail staircase here to go upstairs. So again, we've got engineered hardwood here and it's gonna flow right up to the top level. So the layout here, your primary is gonna be on the left. We're gonna finish in there. Down to the right, immediately we're gonna have our laundry room here. Tucked away, we're gonna have 2 bedrooms, a linen closet, and a full bath. So you can see your laundry room is tucked away nice and neat here. They're not wasting too much space on it. It's well thought out with tile flooring and nice shelving units here. So we're just gonna turn a corner or two. So you can see the 2 bedrooms on the right. We'll go into bedroom number 2 first. This is a corner unit that this home model's on right now. Nice big closet. There's your linen closet here at the end of the hallway. Bedroom number 3. If you have children, I would say this would probably be your youngest child's room. But a nice big deep closet here as well. And your main bath. Now before we go into the primary, I did forget to mention while we were outside, the home does have a 50 amp EV charger if you do have an electric vehicle. So that's already in place for you and a great addition as hybrids and EV vehicles are becoming more and more common. So we'll go on into the primary. It's a nice big size room. Probably your headboard would be there for your bed. Just to give you context, you have tons of space for a nice big king size bed. Just gonna go across. You can see they're very much in construction phases here as Belle Rose Park builds out. We're just off Hammonds Plains Road, just to give you context. We're not far from the Greenfoot Energy Center. Now, this walk-in closet is ginormous. Don't mind the glass shower door there, it's still to be put on, but look at this closet. Your attic access is right there as you come in too, but this is only half of it. Come in here and turn around. Look at all that space. It's huge. Now, we're gonna go into the ensuite bathroom. We got a double vanity here. Okay, again with the quartz countertops. I think that's nice, nice oak. I believe it's oak in the cabinetry. You got a freestanding tub there and a tiled shower, stand-up shower here. Both the handheld and the rain head. There's your soaker tub. Again, you'll want to get some blinds, obviously, up to the front of the road. But yeah, so it's a great home. Again, priced at $864,900 right now in the middle of April. Prices are always changing. The longer you wait, the more chance it is of going up. If you enjoyed the video and got value, again, I would love to hear from you and help you with your home purchase or sale. And you can do me a huge favor and leave some comments on the video to let me know what you think. It helps YouTube push it out to more people like yourself that want to see new construction homes. I'll see you on the next tour and have a great day.